am at Regency in Palm Beach, and I'm gonna show you coolest models ever.
Hello, my name is Anca, and today I'm gonna take you on a quick tour at this brand new construction. Regency is one of the communities at Avenir. If you're interested in the detailed picture of Avenir as a master development, then you definitely need to check out my super informative video about Avenir itself and what it has to offer. But if you already saw it, then let me tell you all about Regency and the 55 and over community and what makes it a better community than maybe others out there. The other homeowners of Avenir will be sharing a clubhouse of 16,000 square feet. The plan is to have this shared between about 1,100 homes. That will not be the case for the Regency homeowners who will have their own clubhouse, and only 469 homeowners will be able to access it. The clubhouse will be built in the middle of the community, which is under construction right now, tracking to be completed by the next summer of 2022. It will be about 21,000 square feet, fully loaded. Around it, you'll have tennis, pickleball, gyms, so on and so forth. They're also planning to have installed some kind of an eating facility. We don't know what's going to look like as of now, but there will be food. There's going to be a lifestyle director for events, concerts, and good time. And to top it off, this community will be the only one right now to have a 24-man gate at the front. And I'm telling you, this is going to be quite an attraction because it almost feels like you're in a country club minus the membership fees, essentially getting all of the lifestyle except for the golfing. Therefore, some of my clients decided to move here away from the country clubs and away from the high fees. I also had some clients from out of state as well. Some came from Miami because of the congestions, and to my surprise, some residents of the Boca Raton chose Regency because this is essentially a new construction. So this is pretty much like the next big thing in Palm Beach County. You're also going to be able to participate at a par 3 golf course. It'll be public, so you don't have to think about paying membership. Just another cool activity that you can do. If you enjoy it, please keep in mind that at the moment of this footage, the builder is still at the very beginning, which is phase 1, and where you can get a house and pay $0 for the lots, unless you want exclusively water view, which can bring you up to a maximum of $217,000 per lot. Soon they'll have a phase 2, a phase 3, so on and so forth, and the builder reserves the right to change prices. There's plenty of opportunity now, and I encourage you not to miss it out. Go ahead and call me today. convinced you enough, I invite you to join me on a tour. I promise you, I'll give you all the information I know. Again, I am at no cost to you, and it would be a shame not to take advantage of my knowledge. My phone number is 561-568-9318, and if you feel like this is not for you, maybe you can share this video with one of your colleagues that might be interested in living here in South Florida. For the people that speak Spanish, no te olvides, yo también hablo español. 561-568-9318 es mi número de teléfono. Y si no te convenció este video, capaz que lo puedes mandar a otro compañero que está interesado en vivir aquí en la sur de la Florida. Te espero aquí en mi canal y también tengo un grupo de Facebook que se llama Mi Casa en Florida, donde yo siempre pongo propiedades nuevas. Que te cuides. Chao, chao.